Hi guys, it's Valrine here. Just want to take you inside of my greenhouse she shed to give you a little peek inside to see what I am doing inside. I'm almost done. It's messy in there because I'm going through stuff to see what stays and what goes. But I think I'm starting to feel a lot better about it now. I was feeling good from the beginning because just to have a space was good, but I'm starting to feel very excited. So let's check it out. There we go. As I said, it's just a bit messy, but we're getting there. All my shelving are going in. All those shelving on the south wall will be for all my seedlings. I actually made these shelving from wood that I bought at the big box store, and I basically just measured up what I needed and cut my pieces and screw them together. That's my burl that I got to stand up in a video I shared. And one of the best perks about my greenhouse she shed is that I have a loft space, and that loft space actually can be accessed by this ladder stair here that my hubby put in. So let's go up this stair here and see what's up there. Now it's a tight squeeze, but we might be able to show you a little there. This is my loft space. There we go. I already have some cushions up here for a bed. Actually, what happened is we got rid of a couch, but I actually took the base of the couch off, and my hubby put some ply on the base for me, and the cushions that came from that couch that we were throwing out, I saved them. So now both the base and the cushions for that couch are now up here as my bed in my loft space, and I'm liking it a lot. Now when it gets finished, I'll do another shoot, but right now I'm just giving you a little peek. And of course there's that rail, very strong rail, up against the bed so that nobody falls off. My son likes to come up here during the daytime. He's doing online high school, so he likes to come up here sometimes and just relax when he gets his breaks. And check this out, let's look down. Storage, as I said before, I've already started putting in storage. So this is looking down from the loft space. And of course, when I get it all cleaned up, you guys will be able to see way more. So I'm excited to do a proper video when it's done. Now let's go down. That's outside that you're looking at. Just I'll grab hold of these handles that my hubby suggested that I installed on the sides of the stairs, just to make sure I have something to latch onto and make a safer trek up and down the stairs. Okay, so we are back down, and that's it. That's a peek. Over here we have more shelving, and I have my big work table here filled with mess, because as I said before, I'm going through stuff to see what stays and what goes, and I'm trying to get all my seeds together. We're trying to get the building closed in. But anyways, I'm feeling very, very happy about her, and I hope you like it too. So until the next video, you Thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please hit the notification button so you can be notified of new videos. And see you in the next video. Just taking a twirl around inside here. I'm liking it. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much again. Love and blessings.